Hi everyone, I'm Nat from Cyan Capybara Bricks, and today I have a Creator 3-in-1 build for you. This is LEGO set number 31169 Typewriter with flowers. With 363 pieces, this set was released on January 1st, 2025 for $30 US. These 3-in-1 sets are cool because they allow you to have a choice in what you build and customize it to your liking. Also a bonus is depending on what set you choose to build, you have some parts left over for your other builds. Opening the box, you will find 3 numbered bags, a sticker sheet, and 3 instruction manuals. I'm not sure why the bags are numbered since you open them all up at the same time, but hey, let's build it. First, I built the flower pot. The pot is really nice, and it's neat that there are no studs showing. They did a good job of hiding them, especially where the rim at the top of the pot sticks out on the corners. I'm not a huge fan of the flowers, they just don't do it for me. But it also comes with this neat little brick-built pen and a pad of paper. I really liked that. I just wish the tiles were printed, since sometimes getting the longer stickers centered can be challenging. Next, I built the keytar, which also has you build a stand with some flowers on it and sheet music. There's also a tiny blue butterfly that you can stick wherever you want on the build. The keytar itself looks good and is built well. It's really solid and feels like it won't break if I drop it. The flowers look a little better in this build, and having the stand for the keytar and the sheet music were pretty thoughtful inclusions. Lastly, I built the typewriter. In my opinion, this is by far the best option to build with this set. I like that you can move the paper back and forth and it lets you reset the carriage, and that it used a lightsaber piece for the pointer. I like that they fit in a full 3 rows of keys and the spacebar. On this one, I'm happy to say I do like the flowers. The paper included with Once Upon a Time written on it is cute and can be switched out for either of the other sticker tiles depending on what you want your typewriter to say. I love the pink housing, but I wish they had tiled off the front. The 4 studs showing aren't bad by any means, but I would have preferred it to be smooth. Overall, I think this is a pretty good set. I'm happy to be adding this to my collection, and I will definitely be keeping it built as a typewriter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. It really helps our channel grow. Comment below what you want to see me build next. Bye!